Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Clearblue testing sticks is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone looking to gain clarity and certainty in their health journey, offering a reliable and user-friendly way to get accurate results right in the comfort of your own home, making it an indispensable part of proactive health management. Number 5. 23andMe Health Plus Ancestry Service DNA Test Kit. Discover a more complete picture of your health and explore your origins with our at-home DNA test kit. Get over 100 personalized genetic insights. Understand how your DNA may affect your chances of developing certain health conditions and optimize your wellness with personalized reports. Learn if you are a carrier for genetic variants linked to inherited health conditions, helping you make informed decisions for your future family. Collecting your DNA is easy and painless with our simple saliva kit. Just spit in the tube, mail it back, and receive your reports in 4 to 5 weeks. Your genetic information is encrypted, protected, and always under your control. We prioritize your privacy and security. Gain actionable, science-backed insights to take proactive control of your health journey and explore your unique genetic makeup. What we like. If you're curious about your genetic predispositions and want to understand your health on a deeper level, this is for you. It offers comprehensive health and ancestry reports, providing actionable insights to take control of your well-being. Choose this if you're looking for a science-backed approach to personalized health and exploring your origins. What people say. The Clearblue Digital Ovulation Test is a reliable ovulation predictor kit that accurately detects the fertile window. The digital display provides clear and easy-to-read results, eliminating any ambiguity. It offers a high level of accuracy in identifying the surge in luteinizing hormone, LH, which precedes ovulation. Number 4. Membrane Solutions S1 Straw Water Filter. Enjoy safe drinking water wherever your adventures take you. This filter is scientifically proven to remove 99.9999% of harmful bacteria, meeting strict international standards for your peace of mind. Experience superior taste and safety with our triple NSF certification. It ensures lead-free materials, reduces microplastics, and improves water quality, so you can breathe easy with every sip. This compact filter fits easily into your pocket or backpack, providing up to 1,320 gallons of clean drinking water. Its durable, long-lasting design makes it your reliable hydration companion. Our advanced 5-stage filtration system ensures purity without removing essential minerals. It effectively removes impurities while maintaining a balanced mineral content in your water. With a 0.1 micron pore size, it offers precise filtration and an optimal flow rate. This balance ensures efficient purification and a comfortable drinking experience for all your needs. Crafted from food-grade, BPA-free materials, this filter is built for durability and safety. Its versatile design allows for easy use with various water sources and containers, perfect for any situation. What we like. For the adventurer, traveler, or anyone preparing for emergencies, this offers peace of mind. Its triple NSF certification guarantees reliable removal of bacteria and contaminants, ensuring safe drinking water anywhere. If you need a compact, dependable solution for clean water on the go or in critical situations, this is your best bet. What people say. The Clearblue pregnancy test sticks are highly accurate and provide clear, easy-to-read results. These test sticks feature a wide tip for easier urine collection and a visual indicator that shows when the test is working. The design of the Clearblue testing sticks allows for early detection of pregnancy, giving you peace of mind sooner. Number 3. Clearblue Fertility Monitor Test Sticks. Discover the Clearblue Fertility Monitor Test Sticks. These 30-count sticks are designed to help you understand your cycle. Get accurate and reliable results with our advanced technology. They are easy to use and provide clear insights. Track your ovulation with confidence. Our monitor helps you identify your most fertile days. These test sticks are designed for your needs. They offer a convenient way to monitor your fertility. Empower your family planning decisions. Take control of your fertility journey with Clearblue. What we like. If you are actively trying to conceive and want to pinpoint your fertile window with precision, this is an excellent choice. It provides clear, reliable results to help you understand your cycle. Consider this if you value simplicity and accuracy in your fertility tracking journey. What people say. Clearblue testing sticks are highly accurate and provide clear, easy-to-read results. The design of the Clearblue testing sticks makes them simple and convenient to use, even for first-time users. These testing sticks offer reliable performance, giving users confidence in their results. Number 2. HealCheck Pregnancy Tests with Cup, 25 Count. Introducing HealCheck Pregnancy Tests, designed for reliable and accurate results in the comfort of your home. Get peace of mind with our easy-to-use testing kit. Achieve over 99% accuracy with every test. Our advanced technology ensures you get dependable results when you need them most. Each test is individually wrapped for your convenience and hygiene. This ensures the integrity of the test until you are ready to use it. Experience a comfortable grip and an extra-wide design for ease of use. The intuitive design makes testing simple and straightforward. This value pack contains 25 individually wrapped tests, perfect for multiple testing needs. You'll have plenty on hand for when you need them. Choose HealCheck for reliable pregnancy detection. We are committed to providing you with accurate and accessible testing solutions. What we like. For those needing reliable and discreet pregnancy testing, this offers exceptional accuracy. The individually wrapped strips and comfortable design make testing simple and hygienic. If you're looking for a trustworthy and user-friendly option for early detection, this is a great value. What people say. Clearblue testing sticks are very accurate and easy to use. The design of the Clearblue testing sticks makes them simple to hold and operate. The Clearblue testing sticks provide clear and definitive results. Number 1. Wondfo Ovulation Test Strips. Discover the easiest way to track your fertility. Our ovulation test strips provide highly sensitive results, helping you plan for pregnancy with confidence. Gain a deeper understanding of your unique cycle. These strips are designed to detect LH surges, a key indicator of your fertile window. Get fast and reliable results right in the comfort of your home. You can trust the accuracy to guide your family planning journey. Specifically designed for women, this kit empowers you with the knowledge to effectively manage your reproductive health and achieve your pregnancy goals. Enjoy the convenience of at-home testing with this 50-count kit. It's a simple yet effective tool for proactive fertility tracking. Take control of your family planning. With precise ovulation detection, you can better time conception and look forward to your future. What we like. If you're planning a pregnancy and want to effectively track your ovulation cycle, these strips are ideal. Their high sensitivity and fast results help you identify your LH surge accurately. Choose this if you prefer a convenient, at-home solution for detailed fertility tracking and maximizing your chances. What people say. The Clearblue pregnancy test is very accurate and easy to use. I love how quickly the Clearblue pregnancy test gives results. The Clearblue pregnancy test has a wide digital display that is easy to read. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.